Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to target and hit referee or your teammates or the manager. So that's what I'm going to explain. Generally you cannot hit referee because we need to change some settings in gameplay. So for that, right, go to options. We need to move on to options tab. So here we need to go to gameplay, choose gameplay. Here move to targeting R1 or use RB. So just come down, okay. Here you can see these options: target teammates, target opposing manager, or target the referee. So you need to enable it. By default, this is turned off. So you need to turn it on. Once it's turned on, right, just save it. That's it. Now I'm going to create the match. When you tap R3 button, you can see that icon. So now it is targeting the referee.
How do you get these folks to start
See?
this match? I was about to ask you the same question.
This is extreme rules, so no disqualification.
Into the corner he goes. A perfectly
So you can
placed
target the referee in this way.
What else are we gonna see now? How about a DDT from the top rope?
Super cool.
A count out. He's positioned up on that turnbuckle. I would not want to be him right now. What more can this superstar do? Reaching deep into the arsenal.
So this is the way we can target managers. Super cool. Now I'm going to hit our own teammates, so I need to press this R3 button. So targeting,
on the same page is going to be crucial.
super cool. We need to press R3 button to target. And then hit.
Draped across the top rope. Clubbing.
That's it friends, this is the way you have to enable gameplay settings to target referee or manager or your own teammates. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from me. Thank you, bye and take care.